This is a straightforward software comparison. An AI voice guides the walkthrough. When you break down FXPrismus pricing, the structure is clearly built around multiple account types, designed to match different trading styles, rather than forcing everyone into one cost model. FXPrismus offers Classic, Pro, Zero, and Synthetics accounts, each with a different balance between spreads, commissions, leverage, and minimum deposits. The Classic account is positioned as the entry-level option, using wider spreads starting around the mid-pip range with zero commission and a very low minimum deposit that makes it accessible to beginners who want simple pricing without per-trade fees. Leverage on this account can scale very high depending on equity levels, which lowers the capital barrier but increases risk exposure. The Pro account tightens spreads significantly, often around sub-pip levels, but introduces a fixed commission per lot depending on platform choice. This pricing structure targets experienced traders who want more predictable execution costs and tighter bid-ask pricing for intraday or swing trading. The Zero account pushes spreads down to zero on major instruments, but offsets that with a per-lot commission, making it more suitable for scalpers or high-frequency traders who prioritize spread compression over simplicity. FXPrismus also offers a synthetics account with ultra-tight spreads and extremely high effective leverage, designed specifically for traders looking to trade proprietary synthetic instruments rather than traditional forex pairs. Across all account types, FXPrismus uses MT4 and MT5 as its core platforms, keeping pricing execution familiar and widely supported. Minimum deposits vary significantly depending on account selection, which gives flexibility but also requires traders to choose carefully based on their actual strategy rather than marketing labels. Leverage scales dynamically based on equity tiers, meaning risk exposure increases as account balances change, which can be powerful but dangerous without disciplined risk management. Feature-wise, FXPrismus positions itself as a multi-asset broker, offering forex, indices, metals, energies, stocks, and cryptocurrencies. The platform environment focuses on stability rather than heavy customization, relying on MetaTrader's ecosystem for indicators, automation, and strategy development. On the pro side, FXPrismus offers flexible account structures, high leverage availability, multiple pricing models to suit different trading styles, and compatibility with industry-standard platforms. Traders who understand spread versus commission trade-offs can fine-tune their costs based on how frequently they trade and which instruments they focus on. On the con side, pricing complexity can be confusing for newer traders, especially when comparing spread-only versus zero-spread accounts with commissions. High leverage options amplify both gains and losses, making the platform less forgiving for undisciplined risk management. Some traders may also find the platform experience more functional than modern, as FXPrismus relies heavily on MetaTrader rather than proprietary trading environments. Overall, FXPrismus rewards traders who already understand cost structures and execution mechanics rather than those looking for simplified, guided trading experiences. HCYM approaches pricing with a multi-account structure that gives traders a choice between fixed, classic, and raw spread models. The fixed account offers spreads starting around the higher end of the spectrum, appealing to traders who want absolute cost certainty regardless of market volatility. The classic account introduces variable spreads at lower starting levels while remaining commission-free, offering a middle ground between predictability and flexibility. For traders seeking tighter pricing, the raw account delivers spreads from near zero with commissions applied per round turn, placing it firmly in the active and professional trading category. Minimum deposits across HCYM accounts remain accessible, which lowers the barrier to entry for new traders while still allowing progression into more advanced pricing structures. Leverage is available with defined limits, and minimum trade sizes are small, supporting gradual strategy development. The pricing model is straightforward on paper, but real-world trading costs depend heavily on account selection and market conditions, especially on variable spread accounts. Feature-wise, HCYM provides access to MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, along with its proprietary HCYM Trader platform on selected accounts. Expert advisors are supported on classic and raw accounts, while fixed accounts limit automation flexibility. Traders can access Forex, indices, commodities, metals, cryptocurrencies, and equities, though the overall instrument list is more traditional than expansive. Execution is market-based, and order handling prioritizes stability over speed optimization. HCYM positions itself as a regulated and safety-focused broker, emphasizing compliance, capital protection, and long-standing market presence. Educational materials and platform tools are functional but not cutting-edge, reinforcing the sense that HCYM caters more to conservative traders than aggressive strategists. From a pros and cons perspective, HCYM's strengths lie in regulatory focus, accessible entry requirements, and clear account distinctions. Fixed spreads can be appealing during volatile markets, and the raw account offers competitive pricing for experienced traders. On the downside, platform innovation is limited, instrument variety is narrower than some competitors, and user experiences vary significantly depending on region and account type. Some traders also report friction around withdrawals and account handling, making due diligence essential. Looking at user sentiment for additional context, FXPrismus currently holds a Trustpilot rating of 3.9 out of 5, with reviewers frequently mentioning professionalism, responsive account managers, and platform reliability, while some note average spreads and limited promotional flexibility. HCYM holds a Trustpilot rating of 2.0 out of 5, with mixed feedback that includes praise for regulatory credibility and safety, alongside criticism related to customer support responsiveness, trading conditions, and account issues. Final takeaway, FXPrismus is better suited for traders who want structured account tiers, strong client support, and a disciplined trading environment with clearly defined expectations. HCYM may appeal to traders who prioritize regulation, fixed spread options, and traditional account models, but it requires careful account selection and realistic expectations. Neither broker is universally better. The right choice depends on whether you value service-led stability or are comfortable navigating stricter structures and variable user experiences. If this comparison helped you understand which platform truly matches how you trade, hit like, subscribe for more no-fluff broker breakdowns, and click the link below to explore the broker that fits your strategy, not just the headline spreads.